Hey everyone, welcome back to Viral Vibes. If you love your car but also want to make life on the road easier, safer, and more fun, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing some car hacks that actually work. No gimmicks, no fancy tools, just practical tips you can use right now. And trust me, some of these will surprise you. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with one of my favorites, the toothpaste headlight cleaner. Sounds weird, right? But it works. If your headlights are looking dull or foggy, just apply some regular toothpaste to a soft cloth. Rub it in circular motions on your headlights and then rinse it off. The mild abrasives in toothpaste polish away grime and restore clarity. It's a cheap and effective way to brighten your lights, and it makes nighttime driving safer too. Hack number 2, the tennis ball parking guide. If you're always struggling to park in tight spaces, here's a simple trick. Hang a tennis ball from a string in your garage so that it just taps your windshield when you're perfectly parked. That way, you'll always know when to stop, and you'll avoid bumping into the wall or other things. It's like having your own personal parking assistant. Next up, hack number 3, using a shoe organizer for backseat storage. You know those hanging shoe organizers you can buy at the store? Hang one over the back of your front seat and instantly create space for snacks, wipes, toys, water bottles, and anything else you need on the go. It's a lifesaver for road trips or even just daily commutes, especially if you have kids. Hack number 4, the carabiner trash bag hack. Nobody likes a messy car, right? Clip a carabiner onto your headrest post and hang a small plastic bag from it. Now you've got an instant removable trash can. It keeps your car cleaner and you can just toss the bag when it's full. Super simple, super effective. Now let's talk about hack number 5, DIY phone holder using a rubber band. If you've ever needed a quick phone mount, just loop a strong rubber band through your air vent and slide your phone in. It's not fancy, but it works in a pinch. Of course, if you're driving long distances or using GPS a lot, you might want to invest in a proper phone mount for safety, but this hack can save you in a tight spot. Hack number 6, dryer sheets under the seats. Want to keep your car smelling fresh without overpowering scents? Pop a few dryer sheets under your seats. They slowly release a pleasant smell and can even help neutralize odors from fast food, gym bags, or pets. It's a budget-friendly way to keep your car feeling clean. Hack number 7, keep your cup holders clean using cupcake liners. Seriously, just pop a silicone or paper cupcake liner into each cup holder. They catch crumbs, spills, and dirt, and you can easily remove and wash or replace them. It's a small thing, but it saves so much time cleaning later on. Hack number 8, the seat warmer pizza trick. This one's for the foodies! If you're picking up takeout and want to keep it warm on the drive home, turn on your passenger seat heater and place the food on the seat. It's like a mini warming drawer for your dinner. Perfect for pizza, burgers, or anything that tastes best hot. And finally, hack number 9, the penny tire test. Wondering if your tire tread is safe? Take a penny and insert it into the tread with Lincoln's head facing down. If you can see the top of his head, it's time for new tires. It's a quick and easy way to stay on top of tire safety without any fancy tools. So let's do a quick recap of these awesome car hacks that actually work. Toothpaste to clean headlights, a tennis ball parking guide, a shoe organizer for backseat storage, a carabiner trash bag, a rubber band phone holder, dryer sheets for freshness, cupcake liners and cup holders, a seat warmer to keep food hot, and the penny test for tire tread. These hacks aren't just cool, they make your life easier, safer, and more fun behind the wheel. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Viral Vibes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smart tips, car hacks, and lifestyle upgrades. Until next time, drive safe, stay awesome, and keep vibing.